on using the algorithm to divide. I'm going to use an example with a single digit divisor, and then I'm going to do it again with a double digit divisor. So let's say you have 6 divided into 83. Okay, so I'm dividing this big number, 83, and I'm going to write this down too. 83 is my dividend. 6 is my divisor, and the answer is going to go up top. That is my quotient. Just to give you some idea of what's going where. I'm going to take my dividend and I'm going to break it into 6 groups. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to start with the tens place. This is the biggest place value I have. I'm going to divide 8 tens by 6. How many groups of 6 can I get in 8 tens? If I list the multiples of 6, I have 6, 12, 18. These two I can't use, they're too big. So the closest multiple of 6 to 8 without going over is 1. So my answer here is 1. 8 divided by 6 is 1. There's a remainder, but we're not going to worry about the remainder. So I divided. 8 divided by 6 equals 1. My division answer goes up top because we're working with D, M, S, B. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Division answers go up, multiplication answers go down. So we divided. 8 divided by 6 equals 1. Our answer goes up top of the little house. Now I'm going to multiply. 1 times 6 is 6. I put my multiplication answers underneath the 8. Now I subtract. 8 minus 6 is 2. And I bring down the next digit, which is 3. So now I've got 23. So I've done all these steps. I divided, multiplied, subtracted, brought down. Now I'm going to do the same thing with 23. 23 divided by 6. Let's look at the multiples of 6 again. We have 6, 12, 18, 24. So the closest I can get to 23 without going over is 18. So 6 times 3 is 18. So my quotient, the second digit in my quotient is 3. I divided. Now I multiply. 3 times 6 is 18. I put my multiplication answer underneath 23. Now I subtract. 23 minus 18 is 5. There is no other digit to bring back, to bring down. So that's it. I'm going to make 5 my remainder. Now 5 can be a remainder. You want to make sure whatever remainder you have is always smaller than your divisor. If you have a remainder that's bigger than your divisor, then you could have made another group. So that's something to keep in mind. So my answer here is 13 remainder 5.